This is a coconut shake. We were told about this by our taxi driver in KL. He said it's a must try when you come to Melaka, so we have to. Here we go. Oh my god, really good. There's like shaved ice with coconut milk, coconut ice cream, coconut sugar. Everything in here is coconut on the ice, and it just tastes so good.
Melaka is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a melting pot of Chinese, Portuguese and Islamic culture. During our stay in Melaka, we jumped aboard a river cruise. The cruise is around 40 minutes long and cost 40 ringgits per person. On the riverside, we saw Melaka's vibrant heritage alongside its contemporary wonders. Melaka is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a melting pot of Chinese, Portuguese and Islamic culture. Later that evening, we traveled to Melaka Raya, a suburb with all the nightlife the town has to offer. If you make it to Melaka Raya, be sure you head home while there are still taxis operating.
For lunch, very expensive. We'll treat ourselves because there's AC here. Yeah. We've used their bathroom, so we have to stay. Town Penang was one of our favourite parts of Malaysia, known for its diverse culture, food, historic buildings and street art. You will surely find this city charming. The guided tour will show you the hidden artworks around the city. You could do this by yourself too, if you can find a map of the street art. Town Penang is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, along with fellow Malaysian city Melaka. Today there are many grand British colonial buildings, old Chinese shops, and a mix of temples for various religions. Once the clock strikes 5 p.m, Chulia Street turns into street food heaven. There are various stalls with many options of warm slurpy goodness to enjoy.
We're still here, flipping coins about what's to come. It starts getting cold, and we don't know any way out of here. We're trying to understand how it all started to go wrong. But the sea is way too deep, yeah, it's deeper than we could ever go, honey. We have to be together here in the stormy weather. So why do we hold on, stuck in the stormy weather?
Langkawi Island on the west coast of Malaysia was the end of our long journey. We were glad to relax there for a few days, enjoying the sunsets, beaches and massages.